This is my beautiful 2003 BMW X5 with a 4.4 liter V8 engine. A gorgeous machine. I literally drove this off the lot at Austin BMW of Austin North. Brand new in 2003. It's gorgeous. It's been in a garage at all times. Has 106,000 miles. It's about 5,000 miles per year. So this is almost a 20-year-old car, and it is really beautiful. Headlights, not frosty. Those were serviced and nice and clean and bright and clear. This Beemer also has brand new tires and four-wheel alignment on all four wheels just a few days ago. Brand new Pirellis. You can see the specs in my post. About 2 weeks after I got it, the only real scratch on the whole car is right here. It's about that long, and you probably can't see it. There it is. Somebody keyed it. Very, very, very light, and I never did get it fixed. It's the only scratch, the only blemish at all on this car. It's got the big V8. This thing really goes. With the towing package, BMW installed original towing package. I towed a very large trailer with that on a trip for weeks. It's beautiful. Just take a quick look inside. All full leather on the seats. Includes these mats, rubber mats. They are quite nice. This hasn't been final detailed, so you see it's not perfect, but it's pretty clean. With all the wood, real wood, and all this trim. Really, really a nice vehicle. I don't know if anyone's ever sat back here, maybe 5 times in 20 years. So it's almost perfect, these seats. They are perfect, I would say. And then this has the split open, which is beautiful. With the seats that fold down, split 60-40. It's very nice. You can see the sunroof up here. So again, this is a gorgeous machine. Anybody be crazy to spend for a newer one that has many miles and has not been kept perfectly. I've even cleaned it with baby diaper cloths since the day I got it to keep that finish so nice. There you go. Enjoy. Hit me up if you're interested.